Okay, good morning, Garden Girl Jen here. I just want to show you guys something quick. If your cucumbers, watermelon, zucchini, all those good veggies that you're growing right now, if they're getting spots on the leaves, now is the time to spray them. I should have done it a few days ago and kind of dropped the ball on it, but I just want to show you guys, if you're getting spots like this on your leaves, those are cucumber beetles. There's other names for them, but they like to come out at night usually, so you don't always see them. And they start kind of eating away at your, you'll get spots in the leaves and then holes in them. So if you have any organic insecticide, that's what I would always go for, because it just keeps it a little healthier when it produces your vegetable. But also you can use Sevin, the spray. It's called Sevin, S-E-V-I-N. You can get that anywhere, or you can always put a dusting over it that is also Sevin, comes like that. Some people prefer that for their vegetables, but if you guys could do that, I'm gonna get mine done today. Get that going, otherwise it will take over all of your cucumber plants, and it just kind of spreads all over. So get that going today if you can. I know it's gonna be hot. We wanted warm weather, but we've got it. So get that on and get everything watered good. And remember, if you can, if you have raised beds, try to water under the leaves this time of year, not above. But if not, I mean, it's okay too. It just kind of helps prevent some mold and things like that. Okay, have a great day, and everybody stay cool. Okay, so I planted my vegetables a little later because I'm so busy every day with the garden center and, you know, the season and things like that. I kind of get to my beginning of June, my garden. So seems to be fine though. But I wanted to show you guys, I put a cage in my one tomato right from the start, and I didn't on any of the others really. So I'll show you what I did. Now's the time to do it. I kind of planted these close, thinking I would get more cages, and again, you know, life happens, I'm busy and I forgot to. So I did get some bamboo sticks or any kind of sticks, even if you live in a wooded area. I've done that before, where I just get huge tree branches, stick them in, get some baler twine, which I have because we have the cows next door, so I grabbed the baler twine, or fishing line. That's one of my favorites too. And just put 2 or 3 in and tie it around a couple times. I did this one right here, and then I tied it up here, and honestly, I may have to tie it one more time, but it just keeps them from falling over and growing into one another if you have a couple different varieties. So that is definitely what I would do. And I want to show you guys with the kale. It keeps producing, which I love. My kids love kale chips. If you guys want that recipe, put it in there. I have a really picky girl, and my little boy eats everything. So I make the best. I love them too. So if it's starting to look like this, you guys, that's awesome. But what I've been doing every like 2 to 3 days, I pick them from the bottom usually, or if they're really large, I pick them, and that's what I do, and it keeps producing. Otherwise, if you let it go too long, it sounds kind of gross, but sometimes they can get worms, bugs, things like that, and I don't want to spray that because we actually are ingesting the leaves. Being a cancer survivor now, I am super cautious about what I put in my body, and I am for my kids too. So that's something I try to do. Pick it when you can, and then it'll keep producing, and that kind of avoids getting bugs, worms, all that kind of stuff. So keep that in mind. If you have kale, lettuce, things like that, that'll keep reproducing. All right, enjoy the weather today. Stay cool. It's gonna be a warm one. Okay, this is how it starts to look. This one here is pretty tough. I got cucumbers and watermelon, things like that here. So you can see it starts with spotting, and then it starts with the holes. So you want to get that because mine are starting to make blossoms, and I don't want it getting, and I've got little ones starting there, as you can see. How exciting. And I don't want it getting the whole plant. So get that taken care of, guys.